Hello, incoming Kleb Band students and parents. We want to welcome you and thank you for joining our wonderful band program. We truly believe that music plus students equals success. We believe in this math problem because the answer is success, and we breathe that in our class every single day. In this video, we'll discuss what to expect in band for next year, but also what you need to do right now to prepare your child in being placed on an instrument and also scheduled in the correct class period. I hope this information is helpful and guides you in the right direction. Now students, I want to congratulate you, not just for being a Kleb Band Bear Cub, but also for making the step into graduating into middle school. It's a scary step, but I promise you, by being in band, you're going to be around some of your best friends, and you're going to meet some really cool people. And I'll tell you, the cool part about this is you'll be friends from 6th grade band through 12th grade band, and there's your lifelong friend. So we're excited for you to be in band and for the friendships and the fun that we get to have together. Now, my name is Mr. Gonzalez, and I'm the Director of Bands here at Kleb Intermediate, and I oversee the entire band program. Our Assistant Band Director is Mrs. King. Now, students, you will be taught based off the instrument that you're picked for by one of us in 6th grade. When you get into 7th grade and 8th grade bands, the advanced bands, you'll see both Mrs. King and I in your class period together. There are advantages of being in band. Firstly, you get to take really cool trips, and we have some really fun social events, and you get to do this all with your band friends. Also, there are fun concerts that you get to do at the school, and you get to perform for your family and friends. But there's more to just playing your instrument. Playing an instrument helps your brain development, social skills, fine motor skills, and sets you up for success as an adult. Now, did you know students involved in band get higher grades in their classes? They score higher in math and also in test scores like the SAT. Band students also have higher graduation rates, and the fun part is they do better in foreign languages. Here's a fun fact. Music is a foreign language, and it's the only universal language on this planet. Let's transition and talk about what you should be doing now to prepare your child for band for next year. On the email and on the band website, we have a pre-band interview information checklist, and they're placed in steps. Step 1, we want you and your child to watch the demonstration video. Here we are professional musicians who get to show you how every instrument works. Choose your top 4 instruments that intrigue you the most. Now, this is going to help us when it comes to helping you choose an instrument. The second step is a get to know you form. Please fill this get to know you form out by clicking the link. This form is very helpful to the band directors when it's time to help choose an instrument for you. Now, in completing the form, students, those 4 choices that intrigue you the most, we want you to place them on this get to know you form. Step 3 is our band database information, and this is also required information that we need. We use Charm's Office, and through this database, it's a web database, we gather family information. We have our calendar events on there for you to view at any time, and also it takes care of our inventory. Now, step 4. Oh, by the way, parents, on the band information database, if you have trouble logging into it, please email Mr. Gonzalez and we'll help you get in there. Now, step 4 is mark your calendar. Now, this one transitions us to the fun stuff. So what's next? After you fill all this stuff out, we'll move on to Instrument Choice Interview Day. Students, parents, Klein ISD approved the Kleb Band to have a tentative schedule for this instrument choice interview for the week of July 27th through the 31st. We will have a sign up in the coming days, in coming weeks, for you, and we'll email that out to you as soon as we can. Now, it's tentative These dates are tentative because if the COVID-19 restrictions still apply, we'll have to change the date. But we believe that by that time that we'll be able to put your child on an instrument. If not, we'll make it happen another day. Now, at the instrument choice interview, that's also where you purchase your instrument and materials. We have two companies, Music and Arts and H&H Music, that will be on site at Kleb Intermediate during the day that your child chooses an instrument. Now, you will purchase your instruments there at the school and material, and they will bring your instrument to Kleb Intermediate. Then your band directors will place the materials and instrument into your child's assigned band cubby. Now, when it comes to choosing for class schedules, we will take care of that for you. After you've purchased your instrument, you just wait on us. We'll speak to the counselors and they will place your child in the correct class. Now, finally, band fees. We'll send band fee information at the start of the school year. But parents, I want you to understand that we understand the times. If there are financial hardships in any way, we understand that. And we understand and we completely believe that every child should be in band no matter what. Money should not be an issue. So talk to us. We can always come up with a plan. But you'll be getting all that information at the start of the school year. All right. I hope this information was helpful. Now, you can reach us at any time. You can find our email addresses through our email, through the band website. But also, we want you to join us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now, thank you for watching, and please proceed to the pre-band interview information checklist. We're so glad you chose band. Students, we're so happy to have you, and we're glad that you're Kleb Band students. Now, we can't wait to see all of y'all on the Instrument Choice Day. Go Kleb Band.